Imagine a world where cars drive themselves and your daily commute becomes effortless. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, Waymo, Google's groundbreaking self-driving division, is turning that dream into reality, and you're about to see how. If you're ready to witness the next big leap in technology, smash that subscribe button, hit like, and ring the bell so you never miss a beat in the world of autonomous innovation. Let's take a ride into the future, starting now. Stay tuned. Waymo's journey began over 15 years ago, rooted in a simple yet ambitious goal: to make transportation safer and more accessible. Recognizing that road accidents claim over 1 million lives annually worldwide, most of which are caused by human error, the company's founders set out to develop autonomous vehicles capable of dramatically reducing this toll. Dmitry Dolgov, Waymo's co-CEO, and one of the original architects of Google's self-driving project, explains that unlike most artificial intelligence today, which operates within the digital realm, Waymo's AI exists in the physical world, navigating real roads, reacting to unpredictable humans, and adapting to changing weather conditions. This distinction underscores the immense complexity and significance of Waymo's work, creating AI that interacts seamlessly with the environment in real time. From small beginnings to a global impact, the story of Waymo traces back to 2009 when it was launched as the Google self-driving car project. Initial tests took place in a modest setting, right in the parking lot adjacent to the Shoreline Amphitheater in Mountain View, California. During these early days, a small team of a dozen engineers worked tirelessly to prove that autonomous driving was possible, setting ambitious milestones, driving 100,000 miles autonomously and completing 10 100-mile routes consecutively without human intervention. Achieving these early benchmarks within 18 months was a remarkable feat, especially considering the nascent state of AI and sensor technology at the time. Yet the journey from proof of concept to a safe, reliable, and scalable service was a long one. It involved rigorous testing, continuous iteration, and building public trust, challenges that would take years to address. Scaling safety and trust. Today, Waymo operates a fully autonomous ride-hailing service in major US cities, including Phoenix, San Francisco, Los Angeles, and Austin. With over 10 million autonomous trips completed, half of which took place in just the past 5 months, the company's expansion has been exponential. Their vehicles are now reliably navigating complex urban environments, demonstrating safety improvements that could revolutionize transportation. Data indicates that Waymo's vehicles are approximately 5 times safer than human drivers when it comes to serious collisions involving injuries or airbags. When factoring in fault, using insurance claims as a proxy, Waymo's autonomous system outperforms human drivers by a factor of 10. Such safety metrics are pivotal in earning public trust and regulatory approval for broader adoption. The technology behind autonomous driving. At the core of Waymo's success lies an intricate blend of sensors, AI algorithms, and simulation tools. Vehicles are equipped with LiDAR, high-resolution cameras, and radars, providing 360-degree environmental awareness. These sensors generate massive amounts of raw data, images, point clouds, heat maps that require sophisticated AI to interpret. Over the years, Waymo's AI has evolved through multiple breakthroughs. The adoption of convolutional neural networks, ConvNets, around 2013, greatly enhanced perception capabilities, allowing the system to better detect and classify objects. Later, transformer architectures, central to large language models, improved understanding of context, intent, and interactions among road users. More recently, multimodal models like the Waymo Foundation model combine perception with social understanding, enabling the vehicle to predict the behavior of pedestrians, cyclists, and other drivers. These models help the vehicle not just to see, but to understand and anticipate, making decisions that are safe, smooth, and human-like. Navigating the complexities of the real world. Autonomous driving presents unique challenges. It involves operating in noisy, unpredictable environments in real time, with safety-critical consequences. The environment includes adverse weather, rain, snow, fog, and human behaviors that can range from cautious to reckless. Sensors are crucial but insufficient on their own. The AI must fuse sensor data, interpret scenes, and predict future events. For example, detecting a pedestrian partially hidden behind a bus or anticipating a vehicle's sudden swerve requires advanced perception and reasoning. These long-tail scenarios, rare but dangerous, are the hardest to model, making extensive simulation and continuous learning essential. The power of simulation and testing. To address these challenges, Waymo invests heavily in simulation technology. Using high-fidelity virtual reconstructions of real environments, such as detailed San Francisco cityscapes generated from millions of images, the company tests countless scenarios under varied conditions. Advanced techniques, including diffusion models, generate dynamic traffic situations, adding or removing objects, changing weather, to expose the AI to diverse situations. This virtual training accelerates development, allowing rapid iteration without physical risks. Simulations help refine the AI's decision-making, ensuring safety and robustness before real-world deployment. Real-world encounters, demonstrating AI's capabilities. During a recent ride in a Waymo vehicle in San Francisco, observers witnessed firsthand how the system responds to urban complexities. The vehicle approached a busy intersection and detected a pedestrian partially occluded behind a bus thanks to detailed sensor fusion. It slowed proactively, anticipating the pedestrian's movement and ensuring safety. In another instance, when a scooter rider lost balance and fell onto the street, the autonomous vehicle reacted swiftly, swerving gently to avoid danger, all without human intervention. These examples highlight the vehicle's ability to predict, react, and adapt, key attributes of truly intelligent driving systems. Envisioning the future, society in transformation. The potential societal impacts of autonomous vehicles are profound. Safety is paramount, eliminating most traffic accidents caused by human error. Beyond safety, autonomous vehicles could reshape urban landscapes, reducing the need for parking lots, freeing up space for parks or housing, and transforming city planning. Furthermore, mobility becomes more inclusive. For individuals with disabilities or limited access to traditional transportation, autonomous vehicles offer newfound independence. For example, a married couple in Phoenix, both blind, now use Waymo to travel freely, something unthinkable just a few years ago. Economically, autonomous vehicles could lower transportation costs, making mobility affordable for broader populations. Elon Musk envisions a future where self-driving cars cost around $30,000, enabling widespread adoption of shared mobility services. Additionally, beyond personal transportation, autonomous technology powers delivery trucks, long-haul freight, and logistics, potentially revolutionizing supply chains, reducing costs, and increasing efficiency, embracing a new era. The experience of riding in a Waymo vehicle in San Francisco offered a compelling glimpse into the future. The vehicle navigated complex city streets, detected hidden pedestrians, and responded with cautious, courteous behavior, all driven by cutting-edge AI. As cities and companies worldwide accelerate their autonomous vehicle initiatives, the promise of safer roads, more efficient urban environments, and increased mobility becomes increasingly tangible. While challenges remain, the trajectory is clear. Autonomous vehicles are set to redefine how we move, work, and live. The future is here, driven by AI and innovation. The key question is, are societies and individuals ready to embrace it?